Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of creating and sharing a SOCKSIP Tunnel VPN configuration with slow DNS server settings. This is an essential step in ensuring your online activities remain secure and private. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Setting up your DNS server. Begin by opening your Chrome browser and searching for UDP Custom Online. This will take you to the official site. Step 2. Navigating to slow DNS server settings. Once you're on the homepage, locate the menu button. Among the available options, select the slow DNS server. You'll see a list of locations. Choose one that suits your needs and click on Select Location. Step 3. Creating your account. Next, enter your desired username and password in the respective fields. Ensure you complete the CAPTCHA verification to proceed. Click on the Create Server button, and your account will be generated. Step 4. Copy account details. Once your account is created, look for an option to copy your credentials. Keep these details handy, as you'll need them to set up your SOCKSIP Tunnel VPN. Step 5. Downloading the SOCKSIP Tunnel VPN app. Head over to the Google Play Store and search for SOCKSIP Tunnel VPN. Download and install the application. After installation, launch the app. Step 6. Configuring the tunnel settings. Upon opening the app, tap on the gear icon at the top of the screen to access settings. Select Tunnel Mode and choose DNS Tunnel. Next, tap on Configure DNS Tunnel. Step 7. Inputting your credentials. Enter the account details you previously created in the appropriate fields in the app. Once you've filled in the information, tap on the Save option. Step 8. Exporting your configuration. Now, return to the main screen. Tap on the 3 dots to access the Export/Import options, then select Export. You will be prompted to provide a file name. Activate the Block All feature for added security on your file. If you wish to set an expiration date for the file, enable that option as well. You can adjust additional settings according to your personal preferences. Finally, click on Export Config and then Save, noting the folder where your file is stored. Step 9. Sharing your configuration file. To share your newly created configuration file, open the File Manager app on your device. If you don't have one, download the Files app from the Google Play Store. Once you have the app open, navigate to the Internal Storage option and find the folder containing your saved file. Tap on the 3 dots next to the file, select the Share option, and choose your preferred method of sharing, such as WhatsApp or another messaging app. Conclusion: that's it. You've successfully created and shared a SOCKSIP Tunnel VPN configuration with slow DNS server settings. If you have any questions or need clarification on any of the steps, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to check the description for links to our Telegram and WhatsApp channels.